what we've tried to do is make our practical purposes really clear to the students, and stick to that one purpose. So I'll give you an example. If you're doing titration, for example, just think about titration. Think about the complexities that are involved in doing a neutralization titration. So if you go, you may have taught some theory beforehand, which is obviously a good thing to do. But you go into the practical and think about what the students have to cope with. They've got to think about the neutralization process, and also they've got to master the skills of using a burette, filling the burette, adding your solution from the burette to your conical flask, dropping and swirling, and it's too much. It's too much for them. So what we do is we do a training practical on titration, and what we do is we use water, and what we do is we just have all the titration equipment. We have just water, and we teach the students first of all how to fill the burette properly. Secondly, what we do is we teach them how to fill a graduated pipette properly with a pipette filler. Now that again, that is a tricky one. Then what we teach the students how to do is we teach the students how to do the drop and swirl method. Now, if you do that first and then go into the practical, you will find that the students will be able to access the practical much easier. They can focus on getting to the neutralization point, and it works. And it works with all abilities. And I've done it with classes of lower ability. If you do the training practical first, they will be able to do it. And it's immensely satisfying to see students of all abilities being able to access the titration, for example.